Welcome. I'm Shay, and this is Deciphering Crypto. I started this channel to help others and to share what I've learned. This is not financial advice, it's instructional, and hopefully we'll have some fun making some money along the way. Let's get to it. Today we're going to continue with our wallet reviews. We're going to be doing the Exodus wallet, the Web3 version, and it's a browser extension. Let's check it out. Here we have Exodus. Let's start off with user interface. I think even right from the beginning I was a little confused because when you go to download the browser extension, you get this page and it has desktop, mobile, Web3 wallet. I'm not exactly sure what the difference. Obviously the mobile is for mobile, Web3 wallet and the desktop. This is actually a download, so I think it installs to your computer. And the Web3 wallet, I guess, is used for Web3. I'm not sure if you can interact with Web3 from the desktop wallet, but I did download and install the Web3 wallet. So the browser extension itself shows balance. I put a little bit of Ethereum in there. But when you open the wallet up, this is essentially your home screen. It'll show your balance over a period of time. That's pretty cool. These are actually Web3 applications that you can go to right from the wallet, and you can buy crypto, back up your wallet. I'm a little confused on this because it actually shows like your seed phrase, but I don't know if it's a backup to your seed phrase or if it's actually calling your seed phrase the backup to recover it. This button in the center right here is a swap button. This is where they make the bulk of their money. They're going to connect through an exchange and there's a spread involved. So you can buy, it'll take you to Ramp where you can purchase currency with a debit card. So that is cool. Let's see, as far as staking, Solana and Cardano. Cardano just started because even earlier today, Cardano was not available. So that looks like it's something that's new or they just got working or it was added. That's fantastic. One thing I did find confusing is you can go to Lido and stake your Ethereum through Lido with the wallet, which is fantastic. When you look at the supported currencies, Lido is not available on the Web3 wallet. And then also, Lido staked Ethereum is not available on the Web3 wallet. So if you stake your Ethereum on Lido, can you not withdraw it to the same wallet that you put it in? And I don't think you can transfer it once it's in. So I'm not sure how that works, if that's an error. And then when you look on how to stake, it says, how do I unstake my ETH from Lido? And it says currently unstaking is not possible. The option to unstake directly from Lido will be available once withdrawals are enabled on the Beacon chain, which withdrawals are now enabled on the Beacon chain. So I don't know if this is just an old article. I'm not sure. I would be too nervous to even try. That's kind of a red flag, and it's definitely very confusing. I give user interface 3 out of 5 stars. Next, we have security. When you search, is my crypto secure on Exodus? It gives absolutely no information on what they do to keep my currency safe. It's everything that I can do to keep my currency safe, which is great, but you should tell me a little bit about what your wallet actually does to keep it safe. They do use an encrypted seed phrase, a encrypted password, encrypted backup seed. Although it is not open source, it's not audited by third parties, so that's kind of a red flag. It doesn't build a lot of trust in the wallet, so security gets 2.5 out of 5 stars. Next, we have supported currencies. That's also a little vague. If you look on the main page, it says over 260 currencies. Here it says supported assets 365. It does hold Ethereum. There is multiple chains. Some of the coins I'm not sure if it'll take. ERC20 tokens, I'm not sure if the wallet will take those. I did load a couple of ERC20 tokens or Ethereum tokens into the wallet, and it did accept them. I don't have enough faith to deposit either one of these 2 tokens into the wallet or to go to Uniswap and do a swap. It's just kind of vague. Supported currencies gets 2.5 out of 5 stars. Next, we have features. You can swap. They do have Web3 links. They do have staking, so that's a positive. You can purchase currency right from the wallet. They do have quite a few features. They should offer bridging. And if they do, be more clear on how it's done. They only offer staking on 2 tokens. That could be improved. So features gets 3.5 out of 5 stars. Next, we have support. There is quite a bit of educational materials, YouTube videos. The search is average at best. One thing I did have mixed feelings on, you can get live support if you want to pay basically $50 for a 35-minute call. So if you want to talk to somebody on the phone, it costs $50 for a 35-minute call. This option isn't available on some other wallets, so that is a positive, but to charge $50, I think most people are going to look at this and they're going to call their Uncle Bob, who bought some cryptocurrency a couple of months ago, and he's going to walk them through and help them lose their currency just over the phone, because it's not going to cost them $50. I could be wrong. Could be improved. 2.5 out of 5 stars. And last, we have reputation. It's generally positive. It does have a pretty user-friendly interface. Has a decent amount of supported currencies. They do have 4.5 stars on their extension rating, but only 36 reviews. Reputation gets 3 out of 5 stars. There we have the review of Exodus Wallet. Let's do a quick summary. First, we have user interface. The user interface was pretty decent. It could work on some explanations as far as which wallet you need for which situation. It does seem like there's some confusion as far as chains and how that works with the user interface. But overall, it's not terrible. User interface gets 3 out of 5 stars. Next, we have security. They do use an encrypted password and an encrypted seed phrase, but they could improve by doing an open source code and doing third-party audits. Security gets 2.5 out of 5 stars. Next, we have supported currencies. I feel like it's just vague as to what currencies they do support. They support most of the major chains. They support Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana. If they support Ethereum type tokens, well, there's tens of thousands of those, and it's just not very clear which ones they support. Supported currencies gets 2.5 out of 5 stars. Next, we have features. They do have quite a few features on the wallet. You can buy, you can swap on the wallet. The features are pretty decent with the Web3 links. Features gets 3.5 out of 5 stars. Now we move on to support. Support is adequate. The search could be more intuitive. You have to pay if you want to talk to somebody on the phone, but it is a service that a lot of other wallets don't offer, so I have mixed feelings. Support gets 2.5 out of 5 stars. And last, we have reputation. Overall, the reputation is pretty positive. Generally, people like the user interface. They do have some decent ratings on the browser extension. Reputation gets 3 out of 5 stars. Overall, Exodus Wallet is pretty decent. There's definitely room for improvement. They get 3 out of 5 stars. That does it for our review of Exodus Wallet. I hope you liked it. I appreciate you watching. Please give me a like and a subscribe. Remember, crypto is risky. None of this is financial advice. Thanks again, and see you next week on Deciphering Crypto. Take care.